Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure both devices share the same Apple ID and that sync library is enabled on the Mac. Open the Music app, toggle Sync Library on, and wait for initial upload to complete. This makes your Mac library available in iCloud. Next, connect your iPhone to the Mac via USB or enable Wi-Fi syncing in Finder. This step establishes a direct link so the iPhone can receive metadata and local files if needed. Once done, proceed to selection. Now you choose exactly what moves onto the iPhone. In Finder, select your iPhone and open the Music tab. Choose between syncing your entire library or only selected artists, albums, and playlists. Make selections deliberately. Selected sync avoids filling limited storage. Review the storage bar to confirm capacity and check for duplicate or unmatched tracks. If you've enabled Sync Library, iCloud will manage matches. However, local files still require direct sync. After verifying, click Apply to begin transfer. Finish by letting the sync run to completion. Do not disconnect until Finder indicates done, then safely eject the iPhone. If some songs or playlists are missing, make sure Sync Library is active on both devices and try toggling it off and on to force re-upload. This often resolves mismatched items. If duplicates or errors appear, check each track's match/upload status in Music on the Mac and remove problematic files before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both devices and try a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.